Hi, welcome back to my channel GlowUpSkin. I hope you all are doing really well. Today's video is about anti-acne mask, which is used to reduce acne, prevents future appearance, and lightens acne scars. Option number 1, Anti-acne turmeric mask. The anti-inflammatory qualities of turmeric can target your pores and calm the skin. It also lightens dark spots and works on hyperpigmented skin, gives skin an even tone, lighten patches on skin. Ingredients require turmeric powder. Turmeric is also known to reduce scarring and help your face clear up from acne breakout. Second ingredient is yogurt and honey. In this mask, we also use honey, moisturize the skin, prevents acne, and slows down aging. How to make this mask? Step 1. First, mix 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and few drops of honey to form a paste. If your skin is too oily, then add a few drops of lemon juice. Step 2. Now use this face pack and apply it on your face. Step 3 next, let it stay for 10 minutes. After a few minutes, you can feel firming of the pack, but let it stay for 10 minutes. Step 4, finally wash off with warm water. Make sure the water is not very hot. It just be warm. Option number 2, activated charcoal anti-acne mask. Activated charcoal draws bacteria, poisons, chemicals, dirt, and other microparticles to the surface of the skin, helping you to achieve a flawless complexion and fight acne. To make this anti-acne mask, you need activated charcoal, aloe vera gel, and tea tree oil. Step 1, first mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel or juice, and 3 drops of tea tree oil to form a paste. Step 2, now use this face pack and apply it on your face and neck. Next, let it stay for 10 minutes. After a few minutes, you can feel firming of the pack, but let it stay for 10 minutes. Option number 3, Bentonite clay mask. Bentonite clay masks reduce oil from the skin, detoxifies the skin, deep cleanse pores, and reduce acne inflammation. Bentonite clay, rose water, and apple cider vinegar. First, take 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay in a plastic wood glass bowl and equal amount of apple cider vinegar and rose water to form a paste. Now use this face pack and apply it on your face and neck. Next, let it stay for 10 minutes. After a few minutes, you can feel firming in the pack, but let it stay for 10 minutes. Face packs are the perfect skincare treatment to help you with your skincare concerns. You can put cucumber slices on your eyes while the pack dries, or you can put cotton balls dipped in rose water instead. However, it is an optional suggestion. I hope you liked the video. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon.